Good. Bravo. Yan. Okay.
Kailangan basta yung katabi meron.
Yan. Bravo, Ran.
Magdilig yan sa atin, magdilig sa atin.
Jessa. Dapat malapit sa tubig
Magdilig
para
sa atin,
buhay.
Lilia. Sa avocado niya. Pag may event dito, diligan nyo ha. Tapos pag namunga na kayo, lahat kakain.
Ang low blood, low blood.
Yung dahon,
ba yan?
avocado. Nakakapag-low ng sugar.
Hindi parang...
Hindi din siya nuts yan malahat, nuts lahat. Yung pa na yung green.
Dahon ng avocado.
Ano naman, are? Ano naman, are?
Sa akin yan.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Bulaklak
Ay,
daw yan.
bulaklak. Bravo. Oo, ma.
Sabi ka ni Kuya Red, ilan lang daw meron yan, hindi naman daw kasali sa...
Pero at least malapit sa host. Sa
Oo.
spring. Bravo.
Tapos din yung ano natin.
Nakalimutan niya. Asan ko ba ilagay yung pangalan?
Yung pamilya. Pwede mo naman yan.
Asan ko ba ito ilagay?
Sige, tali mo lang.
Guys, mayo kay. Pwede yan.
Higpitan mo ha para tamo yung kaitilaw. Last year ni Kuya Rian. Bravo, Jessa.
Yay!
Yeah!
Naghati.
And then you come here, you visit your plant. May nakita siya may laruan. Basta yan, laruan din yung ni Michael. Pero mas malaki lang sila ang
And then Miss Ileana Nicholson, Managing Director of Let's Do It Cyprus.
Kinuha pa yung ano.
The baby.
Yes, shot ka lang ng shot ha.
Okay, we will have their speeches then for us. We're gonna start with Municipal Councilor Mrs. Ileana Lucaido. Lenny.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Be with you today.
We too. We're happy to be
Dear friends, I would like to start by congratulating the Filipino community for their initiative today. We, at the municipality of Nicosia, were delighted to be a part of this initiative. The purpose and theme of this event align perfectly with our social and environmental cohesion commitment, which is none other than paving the way towards an inclusive, equal for all, sustainable capital city. Our soil is not just dirt beneath our feet. It is a living, breathing ecosystem that supports agriculture, biodiversity, and the very foundation of our existence. It is a finite resource that demands our respect and careful stewardship. Today, let us commit to preserving and restoring our soil, health for future generations. Also, as we celebrate the International Volunteers Day, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the volunteers who selflessly dedicate their time and effort to make Nicosia and our world a better place. Your passion and commitment are the bedrock of our community, enriching the lives of those around us. Together, we can achieve more build stronger connections, and create a city that thrives on unity and collaboration. As we celebrate this important day, let us join hands to raise awareness, conservation, and express our deepest appreciation for the volunteers who embody the spirit of generosity and community service. Thank you, and let us continue working together for a sustainable and vibrant world.
Thank you.
You are such lovely people.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for appreciating us.
Okay, for our next.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
If he's going to let me talk. I'm going to keep it very short. I was saying to Mr. Ray and some of the other girls while they were preparing their breakfast that it's really moving and it's really touching having the Filipino community giving so many things back to Cyprus. We've been doing this. Let's Do It Cyprus. It's a global movement turned local. There are more than 210 countries. There's Let's Do It Philippines, of course, and yes, and it's a movement of cleanups. And it's been recognized and awarded by UN. This month we're going to be entering the UN official calendar for actions that make the most impact in the planet, because Let's Do It World has been awarded with a mobility award towards the SDG 6 goal of trying to put as many people, as many volunteers together to good for the environment. I want to congratulate, of course, the Filipino community in Cyprus, because what you do, and because we see this in our line of work, it's always a bit ironic that it's the foreigners that do more for this country than the local ones. I'm sure that most Cypriots now are just sitting in a cafe, drinking and smoking, and you're here, like you said, on your rest day and actually wanting to do tree planting and wanting to contribute. So we are forever grateful. It's really, really touching. I really feel that, and I really wish that more people will be following your example, because it's you guys that are the everyday heroes. So thank you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Eliana, for that wonderful message. Now, we're gonna do the tree planting, but first, we're gonna do the picture taking with them, and then nandito yung mga tanim na kailangan natin anuhin. So, dito muna tayo. We're gonna take picture.